Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are at the Union buildings in Pretoria, and this is a statue of first Prime Minister Louis Botha, and we'll start our walk from here all the way up to the Union building itself, and along the way we will explore the area. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's already subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much, and to the rest of you, please do hit the subscribe button, the like button, the share button, all the buttons that you can. We would really appreciate it.
Hello!
Oh, that's my wife at the back, walking with me again today.
Go.
Ice cream bicycle.
Yeah. You try to push.
I just want to show you guys quickly the size of this park. People having picnic. We won't be able to go inside today. It seems like they are closed today, so we'll just take a walk through the premises, through the garden. Hello. How are you?
Hello.
There's quite a few steps to get to the top. Yeah. As you can see, the statue there of old President Nelson Mandela. It's a 9-meter tall bronze statue.
You can't taste, you must pay first. They way too far.
Yeah.
They can see very nice.
It's very pretty.
Yeah. You can see the people they do for the jobs for what they call? Bowling.
Garden maintenance.
So many steps.
Yeah. Quite a steep walk. I'm out of breath.
Wow. Yeah. It's very...
As we're getting closer to the Union building itself.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
There's a cannon on that side. Let's go see.
Yeah. It's walking step. You must be very fit.
Yeah, you need to be fit, yeah. And there you can see Pretoria, or part of Pretoria. Guys, as mentioned in the previous video, please help us to get to 1,000 subscribers. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we will have a Q&A session where you guys can ask us any questions. Nice flower garden.
Actually, they do a really good job. What's most of the time they can go look inside the museum inside.
You can go inside, yes, but not today.
Oh, okay. Well done.
Rumput tadi bela sis
I see that there at the far end they are busy with renovations.
So much a lot of people there. You know, when we walk here, I was thinking about Thailand
Why?
because it looks different. Different country, different to museum, you know. But what I mean in the garden, the Thailand, they like put more garden, more flower.
Yes. Not today, thank you, nee. It's just a pity we can't go inside, but yeah, at least we can see it from here. Okay guys, as we overlook Pretoria city, thank you for joining us once again today, and until the next video, please remember to subscribe, like and share this video. Till next time.